Hey guys, welcome. My name is James R. Davis Sr. I want to welcome you to this particular video. You may have submitted your information, or you may be looking excuse me, for an opportunity for you to become a credit repair agent. Okay, and so what my Iconz has done is we have the My Credit system. Okay, as you can see here, it's two ways that you can actually get started with us. Okay, first, okay, you can actually purchase this system yourself for a one-time payment of $99. You get literally everything that you need to know about how to repair your own credit, also how to repair other people's credit as well. And at that point, once you get the expertise in learning how to repair credit, then you can charge whatever you want to charge, okay, at that point. And so that's one way that you can get started. But the thing is, if you get started this way, you're going to have to go out and you're going to have to create your business and all that good stuff. And so that's one way. The other way is for you to simply join now for $49, okay? And you're going to be paying $34.95 a month, okay? You come here to the enrollment form, fill this, check this part right here. You'll select $49.95 today, and it'll be $34.95 a month from there on, okay? The $99 is a one-time payment. There is no monthly fee for that, okay? And so the beautiful thing about coming on board for $49.95 is that you get software. You get to be able to enroll other people for credit repair for $99 so they can do it themselves as well. You get paid for that, okay? That's a perk, okay? And you can also build a team of credit repair agents all over the country, okay? Another thing is this: if you have a job, when you join us and you pay that $49.95, we teach you a strategy called income shifting. And along with that, you get the opportunity to get a raise on your job right away without even asking your boss, okay, through one of the strategies that we teach you. Investment strategies, we have tracking software, everything that you really need to run a successful online business. When you consider having a building, having employees, all of the overhead that it costs to run a brick and mortar business, as I am a traditional business owner as well. I own a couple of businesses. But it's expensive, and one thing I love about home-based business is that you get the opportunity to lower the investment cost to get started, and you get to lower your taxes. And as you can see here, I'm in my home. You get a chance to write off a lot of different things that you have that you expend money on anyway. Okay, so it becomes tax deductible, and this whole entire personal financial success company teaches us this stuff, okay, amongst other things, okay? So listen, just click the link above or click the link below in the description for you to get started. I'll put both links below, the join now, as you can see here. Let's go ahead and get logged in real quick, and let's take a look at the income shifting membership. A couple of more benefits of having this membership, okay? So again, here you're going to get started right away. You can correct your W-4. You got tax record keeping software, debt elimination software, your My Credit system. This is where you're going to go to get started. Let's go ahead and click on that and get logged into that. I'm going to click here to enter the site, okay? And once you're back there, you want to make sure that you just take it step by step. Right here, click on the introduction, watch that, go to the My Credit plan. And once you go through these 10 modules with a couple of perks, you're going to literally become an expert. You're going to become an expert, okay, at doing credit repair. So again, you can put your own price on it. You can sell this a la carte to people. You can build a team of other people working with you, and that's for the $49.95. Again, if you just want to become a credit repair agent, learn it. $99 one time, no monthly fee. You can't sell that to other individuals. Only thing you can do is start repairing other people's credit as a credit repair agent, having the education that we're providing for you, and go out and create a career helping people get their credit scores up. It's your boy James R. Davis. See you. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.